What we found is that each industry is unique. In certain industries and certain companies, their upskilling initiatives should last something like 4 hours, like a half a shift. Whereas in other industries, their ideal was a 6-week program or something like a month and a half, right? And so everybody has unique needs. It really came out at the stakeholder engagements and interviews.
There are probably two other things that I would mention. One is broad and one's very specific. One of the areas where Canada has room for improvement is when it comes to our productivity levels compared to some of our G7 peers. And so, making the link between how upskilling can actually improve Canadian productivity was really interesting to me, and seeing it in the data. And specifically for Northern Canada, what really jumped out to me was the proportion of people that are in the clean tech sector in the North in Canada, is much more than the other 5 sectors when we were looking at the North regionally. And that was something that was rather surprising to me, and is probably an opportunity for Canada as well.